Guys, in this video, I am listing some best YouTube channels for social media marketing. Guys, social media is a great platforms to grow your online business. So you have to advertise your products and services where the audience are engaging. So we all know the audience are engaging on the social media. So we have to spend our budget on the social media. To grow our business with the help of social media effectively, we have to learn the social media marketing very well. So for that we have to follow some proven resources. So for that today I came with these particular YouTube channels. So the first YouTube channel is the Social Media Examiner. This channel was created on 18th July 2010, and this channel has 48k plus subscribers and 360 plus videos. This channel got around 1 million plus views, and this channel will help you to grow your business with social media. They also running a blog, socialmediaexaminer.com. The next YouTube channel is the 5-minute social media Jerry Potter. 5-minute social media channel was founded on 17th May 2017 by Jerry Potter, and this channel has 62k plus subscribers and 120 plus videos, and this channel got the 1.9 million plus views. Guys, this channel will help you to grow your business with Facebook and Instagram strategies. So mainly the 5-minute social media will focus on the two major platforms. Those are the Facebook marketing and the Instagram marketing. He is also running a blog, 5-minute social media. The next YouTube channel is the LinkedIn. This channel was created on 31 August 2006, and this channel has 100k plus subscribers and 900 plus videos, and this channel got 214 million plus views. This channel will help you to grow your business with LinkedIn. Guys, especially this channel is for the LinkedIn. So if you want to master, if you want to scale up your particular business with the help of LinkedIn, thus this channel is perfect for you. The next YouTube channel is the LinkedIn Marketing Solution. This is also specialized to LinkedIn marketing, and this channel was created on 4th January 2013, and this channel has 23k plus subscribers, 750 plus videos, and this channel got the 24 million plus views. The next YouTube channel is the Showroom Guys. Guys, this channel was created on 2nd February 2007, and this channel has 72k plus subscribers and 230 plus videos, and this channel got 3 million plus views. You can find strategies to grow your business with the help of social media. Guys, next YouTube channel is the Mary Smith. This channel was created on 10th July 2008, and this channel has 14k plus subscribers and 120 plus videos, and this channel got 1 million plus views. Guys, in this particular channel, Mary Smith channel, you can find the tips and strategies particularly about Facebook marketing. Guys, next YouTube channel is the Robert Benjamin, and this channel was started on 8th December 2019, and this channel has 17k plus subscribers and 70 plus videos, and this channel got 200k plus views, and his videos will help you to get more followers on social media. Guys, next YouTube channel is the Rachel Miller. This channel was created on 27 June 2010, and this channel has 3.9k plus subscribers and 130 plus videos, and this channel got 243k plus views. This channel will help you to grow your Facebook audience. The Rachel Miller mainly focuses on the Facebook marketing. Guys, I hope these particular YouTube channels will help you to leverage social media to boost your sales and revenue. All the mentioned YouTube channels links you can find in the description. So once go to that resource and find the links and consider to subscribe those channels. Hey guys, I hope this video will help you. If you love this video, like up and share it with your friends. Still not subscribed to the channel, consider to subscribe. I will meet in the next video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.